Mommy's gonna try this. What's that? You want some more? What do you think? Is that pretty yummy?
Look at her face.
I know.
More face.
Here, baby sister, you want some more?
That's it. Let's put it. Good job.
What do you think?
It looks delicious.
She thinks it's delicious?
This is the right shape. Okay, now Dad, we're going to take a good deep breath.
Take yummy, yeah. You love